Hello, today I'm going to show you a fast, simple, and effective acupuncture point to relieve coughing. Coughing is your body's response to throat or airway irritation. This irritation may resolve on its own or may need special treatments. But whatever the cause, symptomatic relief is always a good idea. If you've been coughing and are looking for a natural form of relief, then the Coughing Miracle Point might just be what you're looking for. The Coughing Miracle Point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up in usual acupuncture charts. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. To access quick reference guides that make locating acupuncture points easier, see the directions in the description below. The Coughing Miracle Point is located just above your sternum. To locate the Coughing Miracle Point, place your finger in the groove at the top of your sternum, then move to the side till your finger crosses a bony prominence, like this. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the Coughing Miracle Point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate the Coughing Miracle Point on the other side. If you've been coughing and are looking for relief, I suggest that you activate the Coughing Miracle Point 3 times a day till the cough is relieved, and then use as needed thereafter. And if you know someone who's been coughing, I encourage you to share this video with them. It is intended to reduce the cough and soothe the sore throat, and just might produce a miracle. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for health naturally.